Hey guys, Blake here, back with another video. I'm going to be testing whether or not this $100 Ryobi Brad nailer is worth it. So I've got a couple 2x4s that I'm going to be nailing. I got 2-inch nails in here, so I'm going to be nailing these together and kind of see what the results are. I've used this is my old one. It's a DeWalt little Brad nailer. This has been awesome, but this is uses an air chuck. So this is my first one without any air. This is battery operated with the little 18-volt lithium-ion battery. I'll kind of show you what the tool is about. It's got this little button right here. This is for the lights. It's got 2 lights on either side, left and the right. This little knob up here at the top determines whether or not the nail should go in farther or if you want it more shallow. The switch down here at the bottom determines whether or not you're going to shoot one or multiple nails. The back shows how much pressure you're going to give to the actual nail gun. So then right here you can pull this down and this opens up the chamber where you can insert the nails. And then obviously up here is the safety. Pretty self-explanatory compared to any other nail guns if you've used other nail guns in the past. So I'm just going to be kind of making a little shelf and just trying to see exactly if this actually going to work, because I've never used one of these before. So I have shot a couple nails through it, but not much. So I'm basically just going to take these 2 2x4s here and just see if I can connect them. So there's kind of a delay. When you push this down against the wood and then you pull the trigger, it has to activate the little hammer, the little pin, and then it shoots off after a second, after a delay. But that was one nail. Looks like you connected it pretty good. So let's try another one. This one went in just a little bit farther, but I don't know. I don't think I changed my technique. That one didn't go in all the way right there, but I let off the trigger just a little bit. It like misfired, and then I shot it again and it didn't quite go in all the way. I don't know if you can see that, but. So now I'm going to try to adjust the depth, which is right here. I'm going to try to back it out and see what it does. Yeah, so it's just barely raised on the top of the wood. Like if I put my finger over it, you can kind of feel the edge. Yeah, same with that one. But as I put it down more into the wood, yeah, now it's hidden, completely dented into the wood right there. I mean, oh, yeah, how many nails I put in there? About 11 nails I put in there, and it's, oh yeah, it's pretty firm. So now I'm going to try to do this 2-inch nails, so I should be able to go through that. Okay, that time I didn't let go of the trigger. I pushed the trigger and it misfired itself. So we'll see what happens on this next one. And there's plenty of nails in there. Okay, so it didn't act any weirder that time, but that was only 2 nails and that feels pretty good. If I put 2 more here, yeah, that's pretty strong. I think I could rip that apart, but that's pretty strong. Obviously, it's just the strength of the nails at this point, not necessarily against the nailer. The body of it is very plasticky. It's got a pretty nice rubber handle back here in the back. But this is all plastic up here, and this feels a little loose, a little plasticky, but it's not bad. I think if you were like a carpenter or somebody that used this constantly all day long, I would probably not recommend this one. But if you were somebody like just a DIY guy, it's probably going to do all that you need it to do. If you're just putting on some trim in some room or something like that, or you needed to add some casing around a door or hang a shelf or something like that, this is probably going to be perfect, because that's basically what I got it for. Because I was sick of getting my air compressor out and getting the hose out and then hooking it onto this just when I needed a few nails. Or maybe if you're even a woodshop guy, you just needed to build like a small shelf. The lights are pretty nice. I mean, they're not the brightest, but it's more than what I had on this one. So for $100, it's not bad. I don't know how long the battery lasts. I don't know how many bullets you can get with one battery, but I imagine it lasts you maybe a room full of base or something like that. But it just snaps on just like that. And then it also comes with this little clip for your belt. You wanted to put that on your belt like that. So that's kind of handy, kind of nice. I do like that feature. Overall, it's not too bad. I would recommend it. Like I said, if you were a DIY guy or somebody that just needed a few nails here and there, I think this can be a great nail gun. But if you were somebody that is using it all day, every day, I'm not sure what the longevity of it would be. Take that for what it's worth. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. It's not much, just kind of showing you around and testing it out for myself to see if it's strong and it can put in nails good enough. So for me, it passes the test. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later.